Bakit itong People's Initiative ay finormulate para para matanggal yung basically mabaliwala ang opinion ng Senado, ng mga Senado. Pagka natuloy ang PI na yan, yung usapang economic provisions, wala na yan. Huwag pong kakalimutan, hashtag no to PI, hashtag no to Pinsans Initiative, or hashtag no to People's Initiative. Choose your poison. Basta we need to be clear on this one. A People's Initiative is not going to be good for the country.
Ito nga mga kababayan, bago natin ituloy ang video na ito, kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel baka pwede makahingi ng like at subscribe at click mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking nilalabas na bagong video. Salamat po.
Sa umpisa pa lang, papaalala ko sa lahat na no to People's Initiative. Alam niyo kung bakit? Well, alam niyo, most of you alam niyo kung bakit. Pero i-reiterate ko lang po. Ang People's Initiative is a diabolical plan to eliminate the checks and balance. Now, the Congress is made up of two houses, two chambers, the Senate and Congress. At yung dalawang ito, they balance each other out. Okay? Ngayon, syempre, kaya yan ganyan. Senators are elected at large, nationwide, although ako I prefer regional elections. No? And then the congressmen are elected from various jurisdictions. Ngayon, the one part gives us a national perspective, the other part gives us a local perspective. Yung sa gayon, merong checks and balances. Kasi hindi lahat po of national significance will be important to local or even could also be destructive to locals. And then the other way around could also happen too. So yun po yung natin. Yung balance. That's why the Constitution was created this way, to balance the two chambers. Ngayon, yes, nung ginagawa ng Constitutional Commission of 1986, yung 1987 Constitution, ang original intention was to make it parliamentary. Pero bakit sila tumigil? Kinabahan sila. They wanted to go back to a presidential kasi kung prime minister si Cory, baka matanggal siya kagad. Okay? Malakas pa ang pro-Marcos sentiment regardless of the people power of the EDSA. Okay? But they also recognize na two chambers could balance each other out. Okay. So ano na ngayon ang nangyari? So they went back to a presidential system, and it has proven na although may mga specific allocations of power na specific lang, let's say sa House, specific lang sa Senado. Halimbawa, Senado ang nagra-ratify ng mga treaties. Kongreso naman ang nag-uumpisa ang mga tax laws. Okay, at doon din ang mga prangkisa, doon din ang sa impeachment, sila yung may finding of probable cause. So kailangan dumaan muna sa Kongreso bago umakyat sa Senado ang isang impeachment complaint. So nakita natin that it works. Bakit itong People's Initiative ay finormulate para matanggal yung basically mabaliwala ang opinion ng Senado, ng mga senators. Because they know na itong diabolical plan, itong plano nila na to revert to parliamentary, they will not be able to push it through, to railroad it, kung alam ng Senado na mawawalan na sila ng powers. Na they will not be a separate chamber anymore. So, plus, pagka natuloy ang PI na yan, yung usapang economic provisions, wala na yan. Kasi aakyat magkaka-constituent assembly right away. Pagka na pasay yung PI, yung People's Initiative, matanggal yung vote ng Senado or ma-downgrade yung boto ng mga senador, railroading na yan. They can ditch the economic provisions. They can just go through, push through with whatever it is they want to change. Wala na yung mga debate, wala nang kahit ano. That's why minamadali nila. Kasi ang mga may gusto sa People's Initiative, they know that they don't have the benefit of time. Time is not on their side. The longer it takes, the more discussions. The more discussions, the more research, the more knowledge, the more opportunities we have to see where this is weak, where this can go wrong, and where this can be oppressive to us. Thank you kay Stan Yahoo. Okay? So, wag pong kakalimutan, hashtag no to PI, hashtag no to Pinsans Initiative, or hashtag no to People's Initiative. Choose your poison. Basta, we need to be clear on this one. A People's Initiative is not going to be good for the country. Kasi may mga tao dyan na may mga hidden agenda na they cannot win a national election. And so, babaguhin nila yung buong sistema nang sa gayon forever na yan nakaupo. Okay? So, bago tayo pumunta dun sa mga mas chill natin na na topics, no to PI. Every time magla-live tayo ngayon and until we win this, no to PI. Okay. Sabi ni Ma'am Et, 2 of my 4 children are already working overseas only because they are disappointed with the Philippine government's chaos. Ma'am, I get it. And, I can't blame them. I want to say that we should love our country, but it's not fair. It's not fair to ask them to accept this kind of system. It's wrong. No to PI. Okay? Sabi ni Perfecto Bangolyay, sana manawagan uli mga ex-generals. Warning sila mga nagpupumilit sa PI na yan. Well, I don't know what they're thinking of right now, but I'm pretty sure if they see what's wrong. Kaya nga importante na pinag-uusapan natin parate, no to PI, no to PI. Alam niyo kung bakit? They will have to listen to us also. Not just the ex-generals, but the AFP, because the AFP is the protector of the people and of the state. And if there is an opportunity where they can prevent an oppression, we want them to take notice. Diba? Ayan. Sabi ni Wendy, tambaloslos plus tambalisa equals PI. Yikes. So no to PI. Alam niyo, if you're in some chat group or whatever, singit lang natin parati ang no to PI na yan. Lalo na yung mga comment sections ng mga open for commenting na mga pages. Lalong-lalo na yung mga media, mga pahayagan. No to PI. Sabi ni Betsky Labor, so attorney balak talaga nilang yung Prime Minister gaya ng gustong mangyari ni late President FM Sr., di ba? Yeah, and it worked at that time. Yeah, tignan nyo, ganong katagal si Presidente Marcos? 20 years? So. Hi, kay The Patatas Guy. Magandang gabi mga kasutil, sabi niya. Hi, kay Firefly, sabi niya. Just posted daw on his wall, hashtag no to PI. Okay, yeah, everybody, can we please do that? In addition to like, share, follow, and subscribe, can we all hashtag no to PI? Kasi nakakairita na yun. Isipin mo, ang ayos naman ang usapan nila noon. No? Sige, economic provisions. Well, mahina din naman kasi. So, can you imagine? This is just something that's been bothering me, ha? Can you imagine na parang pinapahiya nila ang presidente after the president, very publicly said, sige, economic provisions na yung PI na yan kasi medyo divisive yan. Senador din naman ako dati. After that, he had to backtrack. Sino bang nagpupumilit niyan? At sino bang napagalitan ba ang presidente para mag-backtrack siya ng ganon? It's really bothering me. I don't like seeing the president, change his mind like that na nung una, no, it's not a priority. Mamaya, sige na nga, economic provisions na lang, ganyan, ganito. And then suddenly, backtrack na siya. Oh, this is the time for it. Tapos ito na, maganda na daw ang parliamentary. Grabe, in the space of how many days? Days! Really, just days. I mean, what does that say about the president? And it's so public. Sana man lang kung nagbago siya ng isip or bago siya nakapagsalita publicly, nakalabit na siya ng whoever it is who's influencing him on PI, kaloka yan. No to PI. It's nuts. It's really crazy. And you know, there's no information, di ba? Walang information campaign, walang kahit ano. Rat-rat na lang. You know why? Because they don't have the benefit nga of time. Hindi nila pwedeng paabutin ng 2025 kasi magkakahalo-halo na yung issues. Paano kung mas malakas ang oposisyon, i.e. the Dutertes? Diba? Kung mas malakas ang Dutertes, tapos kunwari, nangangampanya, mamaya may mangampanya ng si Presidente Digong, sabihin niya, oh, tumatakbo akong senador, and by the way, no to charter change. Di patay. No to PI. Tapos ito pa ang weird. Gusto nila yung plebisito ay sa 2025, which means grabe na yung pagbabago dun sa resolution 10650 ng COMELEC, di ba? Kasi dun sa original nilang resolution, 90 days after tanggapin yung petition, kailangan na magplebisito. Ngayon, isang taon? We have all this time now. We don't have that much time. Gusto nilang ituloy nitong June, July. Yun.